How to review received friend requests on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to review received friend requests on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and then click settings and privacy, and now click settings and then just go down until you find activity log and then click here connections and you will find this one, received friend requests. Click on it and here you can review received friend requests on Facebook Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.